How to use Google Play with EasyControl MDM. 1. Download app. Go to Applications, App Store, Play Store. Drag the scroll bar to select an application you want. Click Select. Confirm. Click OK and we'll jump to the Google Play page. Back to MDM console. Go to All Apps. Search. The new app will appear in the app list. To push app, check app and select the group you want to push. Confirm. Go to App Policy. Select Group. Search. The new app appears in the app list under this group. Free installation app. You can enter the Play Store app on your device to check the current applications. Select App on MDM console. Go to Actions. Choose the action you want to perform, such as Silent, Install Silent, Uninstall, Clean Cache, Remove. Take Silent Install for example. The app appears on the device immediately after the operation is performed. The new app also exists in the Play Store. EasyControl MDM Expert.